So, hello guys, got a delivery from Nike, the sneaker app. These are the SB Dunk Hawks. Tell here. So one shoe comes in this, a little bit of suede on it, water kind of pastel design, green inside, and all like that. And then we've got the other shoe. As well, it's got a different kind of toe, metallic gold on it, same fabric as the other shoe, and it's got like a silver Nike tick on it. Got the different colour laces as well if you want to change it up. And then that's it. That's the shoes. And I'll probably give a little think of how they fit and how they feel on the feet as well. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Thanks.